today I need your help. I need your help to quickly take 2 minutes max and fill out a survey around hybrid cloud and what it means to you. So I'm gonna put the link somewhere here on the screen, wherever YouTube allows me, and in the description. And I will roll in a few seconds my intro. So in the meantime, please go to the link, fill it right in, and then come right back to the video, or put it on pause or put it in the watch later, regardless what works best for you, but please take the time to fill it out. So let's roll the intro. Now, why did I create the survey? I do get the chance to hear a lot from Microsoft customers. There's research that we do and insights and data that they provide to me. And I'm being asked to review a lot of articles that are being posted. I myself read a lot of articles that are being posted around hybrid cloud. And sometimes I just want to bang my head into the wall. Why is that? Because I see comparisons that are, I just don't understand why we're making these comparisons. Sometimes I see comparisons of, let's say, Azure Arc versus Outpost from AWS, or Anthos from Google versus, let's say, Azure Stack Hub, which really is hard to compare if you think about it. It's like me saying, hey, let's compare, let's say, cars over here and bicycling. Both can bring you from A to B, but it's really not the same thing. But you could say both is transportation or recreational, whatever you use those vehicles for, or saying, let's compare Uber with owning a car, buying a car. You know, again, both has to do with cars, both can bring you from A to B, but there's use cases where Uber is awesome, specifically if you're closer to a town and have a close commute. And, you know, when you start the app, there's a lot of available Ubers. If you live outside of town and you want to use Uber every day to commute, owning a, energy efficient car, most likely going to be cheaper and more cost efficient than using Uber, plus the waiting time if there is any Uber available at all. So it really depends, right? And so comparing those can be difficult. And for most cases, or my case, I have a car, I commute with the bike, back then before COVID, and I use Uber from time to time, even if I went to present on the campus, because it saved me the time to actually search a parking spot there if I presented in the executive briefing center, and it was just simple, flat easier, even if I have to pay it myself, because I live so close to the campus. And the same is for customers. Most customers are not going to be, oh, okay, our hybrid strategy is going to be Outpost, because you're not going to have Outpost everywhere. You have branch offices and other things where you're not going to put a full rack of servers in it because it's overkill and it's too expensive. So you will have a mix of different solutions, right? So how does it come that these people compare? But you might sit here and watch me talking and think like, yeah, dude, that's what you say. And so that's why I want to hear from you. I really want to hear from you. What does hybrid cloud mean to you? How would you define it? What are your most common scenarios? And then I will make a follow-up to this episode. But what I really try to use is in a public way, because data I get at Microsoft I can't use in my personal blogs. I want to use something that I can share with, on social media, of saying, hey, people, please be mindful. Try to compare for customers what is helpful to them versus making comparison that really doesn't make sense. If you put the energy in on writing an article, creating a video, trying to guide customers what to use, it should be valuable. And so it should be realistically and speak to the needs customers have. That's where I shut up. I put the link again here, so please fill it out, and I will follow up as soon as we had some time to collect some data. And the more entry points I have, the more reliable or the better the data will be. Thanks again for watching today, and I look forward to hear your comments about hybrid cloud and what it means to you. Have a good day.